Here, so I borrowed this power washer from my buddy Tom, and he just texted me and said he kind of needs it for a job he's doing here in the neighborhood, and I need to bring it back to him. So guess what? Yeah, that's right. I'm just going to strap it on to the back of the M81 here, and we're just going to take it to him. Now, I've been thinking about getting a cargo trailer, and I really need to get a cargo trailer. And this is proof that I really need to get a cargo trailer, because sometimes I want to haul some bigger stuff. So I'm gonna have to go shopping and find one. That darn kickstand, it's so far in the back I keep forgetting to put it up sometimes. It's hard to reach once you're sitting on the bike, but I have already let it scrape a few times. See, that wasn't bad. It was a short trip. Hey, maybe I should take a photo of that too, huh guys? Just because I need to prove that I do some of the things that I do. Because sometimes it just gets a little crazy around here. Yes. There you go. Got it off. Yeah, it was nice of Tom to let me borrow that when I had to clean the pool deck before we painted it. Make sure he knows it. All right. That's okay. No message required. There we go. All right, guys. I don't have saddlebags yet. I don't have a basket that doesn't have some place to put something like this, right? Because it'll fall through. So I'm gonna have to stick this in my pocket. Kind of a bummer. We'll get that rectified after we've had this a little while. Figure out what our needs are. Whew, it's time to go. What are you doing down there? You need to be up here. So I just had a really nice long ride with my friend, my new friend Ron. He and I went out, and we went down to the little the bridge in the park that I like to go to sometimes. So I was able to get him out for a longer ride to see how he likes it. He actually rode the Mach Wheel Scoria just so he had something to compare it with. Well, there's Tom. I just took it down there for you.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, it was my responsibility. I should have brought it to you since I borrowed it. I'm just sorry it took a little time.
I'm gonna go power wash Jody's house.
Jody, who's that?
The one with the white truck over there.
Oh, okay.
So,
But if I'd known that, I would have dropped it there, or I would have left it here because now it's further away. It's hot. I just got back with Ron. He and I went down to Fort Hamer, and then we went down the old Tampa Road, came up Chin all the way around. He's loving it.
I told him to buy one.
Well, he's almost there. He's not quite pushed over the edge yet, but he keeps saying, "Oh, I need to go just order it. I need to just go order it." I know.
I thought just order it all for you. Don't you got extras?
Do I have extras?
Yeah.
No, I don't have extras. I'm not a dealer. I'm not a salesman. I don't.
No, but I thought you got two that you were gonna get rid of.
I already got rid of those. Those are gone.
Those are gone already?
Yeah. Oh, he wants that one. He wants the white one right there.
Oh yeah.
It's a really nice one. That's the $2,500 one. Oh, what happened there?
What was that?
I don't know. I think it was because I had my wheel turned pretty hard. That's what it was, I think.
Yeah. Oh, those got the little kickstand and the little foot pegs too.
But yeah, I like the bike okay, but the accessories just don't match. It's like it was like the accessories were an afterthought.
See, like what you said, the battery. I would have figured out a way to put the battery in it.
Yeah,
I would have figured a way to put the battery in there.
it's just kind of an odd place. It's not in the way.
No, it's not.
But-
It's just odd. See, what I would rather have seen there is either like a little basket where you could put stuff in there.
Yeah.
And stuff like that.
Yep.
Phone. You can see if you don't want to put your phone up there, you can put it down there. Any little thing. They're fun. They're fun.
Absolutely there. Okay guys, that's it for this quick little trip just to demonstrate using the cargo bike. So yeah, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and I will see you in another video here soon.